So, good morning to all of you. Today, I want to discuss the various current affairs at a recent time. The first things first is Kodwas community. Kodwas community of Coorg. See, Kodwas community is also known as the Kogadu. Kodwas, K-O-D-A-V-A-S. Kodwas community is also known as the Kogadu. So, K-O-D-A-G-U. K-O-G-A-D-U. Okay, Kogadu. Kogadu community. It is well known for martial community of Coorg region. Coorg, C-O-O-R-G. Coorg region of Karnataka state. Coorg region of Karnataka state. Okay. See, they well known for they worship weapons, especially weapons. They worship weapons during Kail festival. Kail festival of Karnataka. Kail K-A-I-L. Kail P-O-T-D-H. Kail festival of Karnataka. They worship weapons during the Kail festival of Karnataka. Okay, this is the first community in the country who exempted from obtaining arms license. From obtaining the arms license. This is the first community in the country. So that is the Kodwas community or Kogadu community. Second content, that is 3S project. 3S project. 3Ss project or 3S program. And what is this? 3S project is nothing but a safety, security and surveillance on drugs and vaccine. Drugs and vaccine. See, this 3S project proposed by WHO, World Health Organizations. Now India is planning this 3S project on that rotavirus vaccine. This 3S project on rotavirus vaccine. That 3S is nothing but safety measures on this rotavirus vaccine. India is planning 3S project on rotavirus vaccine. Okay, rotavirus, this rotavirus causes for diarrhea. Causes for the disease diarrhea among children. For that, to remedy of the disease, okay, so rotavirus vaccine is there. Now 3 years project on this vaccine, rotavirus vaccine. Okay. Next, third content. Recently, Portuguese announced to set up Gandhi Citizenship Education Prize. So Gandhi Citizenship Education Prize. Recently, Portuguese country announced this one. Okay. See, this prize is inspired by Mahatma Gandhi thoughts and Mahatma Gandhi's quotations, quotes, etc. At the same time, this prize will be given every year. The first edition of this prize is dedicated to would be dedicated to animal welfare. The first edition of this prize dedicated to animal welfare. Would be dedicated to animal welfare. That is the fourth content. Third content. Now fourth content. Fourth current affairs in recent time. That is Instex barter mechanism. Instex, I-N-S-T-E-X. All are capital letters. I-N-S-T-E-X. Okay, Instex barter. B-A-R-T-E-R. Barter mechanism. Barter means exchanging, swapping. Instex. So what would be meaning of Instex? Okay, instrument in support of trade exchanges mechanism. So that means Instex mechanism is nothing but a instrument in support of trading exchanges. Like a free trade agreement is there, like that. Same. So recently there are 6 countries. That is namely Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, Norway, Sweden and Finland. These are 6 countries has decided to join this INSTEX. This INSTEX border mechanism. That is the main important. Okay, next 5th content, that is World Economic Outlook 2019. World Economic Outlook 2019. Very, very important. Prelims point of view, very, very important. So World Economic Outlook 2019, which was released by IMF, International Monetary Fund. IMF, International Monetary Fund. So in that, IMF estimated India's growth rate 6.1%. India's growth rate 6.1%. Okay. See, doing business report released by World Bank. Remember, doing business report, ease of doing business report released by World Bank. And this one released by Economic Outlook, World Economic Outlook released by IMF. Okay. Global risk report. Okay. Released by WEF. Risk report released by WEF, World Economic Forum. Please remember, please understand the understanding of what is the difference between these things. That is very important. Okay. Next one. So global wealth report. Global wealth, not health. Global wealth report 2019. This was released by the Credit Suisse Group. SUISSE, Suisse Group. It is a Switzerland-based investment bank. Bank released this report. Global Wealth Report 2019. Next one. So Paramars scheme. PARAMARSH. Paramars scheme. What is this Paramars scheme? See, it is a UGC scheme. Capital letters UGC. So University Grants Commission scheme. It is a UGC scheme for monitoring NAAC, National Accreditation and Assessment Council, to promote quality assurance in higher education. Quality assurance in higher education. That is the Paramars scheme. Okay, next one. Various military exercise recently done by India and other countries. So first one, that is nomadic and elephant exercise. Nomadic elephant military exercise. It is a joint military exercise between India and Mongolia country. So that name is nomadic elephant military exercise. Nomadic and military exercise. Okay. Next one. Maitri exercise. It is a joint military exercise between India and Thailand. Okay. Next one. Garuda. Next military exercise Garuda. This is a joint military exercise between India and France. Garuda. It is a Air Force exercise. Air Force exercise between India and France. Next one. Yuddha Abhyas. YUDH. Yuddha Abhyas. It is a joint military exercise between India and USA. Okay, these are recently done military exercise. India and other countries. India with the other countries. Okay, that is next one. So digital next current news, that is Digital Bharat and Digital Sanskriti. Digital Bharat and Digital Sanskriti. So SANSKRITI. Sanskriti. Digital Bharat and Digital Sanskriti. Recently, Union Ministry of Culture and Tourism. Ministry of Culture and Tourism launched e-portal of CCRT. E-portal of CCRT. What is the CCRT? So Center for Cultural Resources and Training. Center for Cultural Resources and Training, CCRT. So recently this minister launched e-portal of CCRT with an aim to take India into digitalization, to take India into digitalization, and at the same time to promote Indian culture, and at the same time to promote Indian culture. That is the digital Bharat and digital Sanskriti. Okay, Sanskriti. Okay, that is the next one, last one. Okay, so last one, that is the Paryatan Parv. Paryatan Parv, P-A-R-Y-A-T-A-N, Paryatan Parv, P-A-R-V, 2019. Okay, Union Ministry of Petrol and Natural Gas, and Ministry of Steel inaugurated this Paryatan Parv 2019 in New Delhi. But it is organized by Ministry of Tourism. Okay, to propagate the message of Dekho Apna Desh. Dekho Apna Desh. It is a Hindi word. With an aim to encourage Indians to visit various tourist places of the country. To encourage Indians to visit various tourist places of the country. That is the Paryatan Parv. Okay, and at the same time, so this was dedicated to 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This was dedicated to Paryatan Parv 2019, dedicated to 150th so birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. That is the Paryatan Parv. Okay, one more also I will give you. That is okay. So we can conclude. So some more current affairs we can discuss next class. Okay, I will conclude.